Hello students, today we are going to learn a new chapter in your maths, that is statistics. In this one we are going to learn a topic that is arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean means average of the given number. So here they give so many numbers, in that we have to find the average or arithmetic mean, or simply we can call it as mean. And we are going to solve practice set 11.1 based on this arithmetic mean. And also we are going to draw a graph for the given value in the statistics. So here two types of graph we are going to learn, that is subdivided bar graph, another one is percentage bar graph, and we are going to solve practice set 11.2 and 11.3. So let's start arithmetic mean in the chapter statistics. So arithmetic mean is the average, is called as arithmetic mean, or simply it is mean. So we can denote this arithmetic mean or mean as x, and in the above one line that is called as x bar. So this is called as x bar. And how to find the arithmetic mean? So here one formula is there for finding the arithmetic mean, that is, so here formula is x bar, that is arithmetic mean, equal to sigma fi xi by n. So here f means frequency and x is the number of given values. So given value कौन सा, वो हम लोग स्कोर या कुछ भी रहेगा उसको हम लोग x लेंगे, एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी वो कितने बार रिपीट हुआ है उसको हम लोग f में लेंगे. एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सिग्मा fi xi by n, or we can call it as sum of fi xi by n. How to find this fi xi and what is n, I'll going to explain in the next. So I'll give one example. So by solving this example we easily identify what is sigma fi xi n and x bar, and how to find this x bar. So here example is the marks obtained by 37 students of standard 8 in a test of 10 marks are given below. Find the mean of the data. So यहाँ पे हम लोगों को 37 स्टूडेंट्स का मार्क्स दिया है, वो भी 10 में से कितना आया है वो दिया है. वी हैव टू फाइंड द मीन ऑफ दिस गिवन डाटा. यहाँ पे 37 स्टूडेंट्स का मार्क्स है, सो उसे हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. तो कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है? सो बिफोर दैट वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट टेबल, और वी कैन कॉल इट एज फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल. उसको टेबल को ड्रॉ करना है, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड दिस arithmetic mean. So what is the table and what are included in that table? First of all, draw the table and make a column. So here पहला कॉलम में हमें लिखना है मार्क्स. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को मार्क्स है, कितने में मार्क्स है? सो दैट इज मार्क्स और स्कोर्स इन एक्स आई. सो उसको हम लोग एक्स में डिनोट करते हैं, सो एक्स आई. सो यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, जो थर्ड कॉलम में नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट, दैट इज डिनोटेड एज फ्रीक्वेंसी और एफ आई. सो इन दोनों को जो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे दैट इज एफ आई इंटू एक्स आई. यहाँ पे एक और कॉलम है दैट इज टैली. ये आप लोग डाल सकते हो या उसको स्किप कर सकते हो. सो मार्क्स, द टेस्ट इज टेकन फॉर द 10 मार्क्स. सो 10 मार्क्स का एग्ज़ाम है. तो यहाँ पे स्कोर दिया हमें 2 4 4 8 6 7 3 8 9 10 10 8 9 7 6 ऐसा. सो हाईएस्ट नंबर इज 10. सो 9 भी है, 8 भी है, 7 6 5 भी है, 4 भी है, 3 भी है, 2 है, बट 1 इज़ नॉट देयर. सो हम लोग को ऑलवेज जो मार्क्स है उसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लेना है. सो फर्स्ट नंबर इट कम्स एज 2, नेक्स्ट 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 एंड 10. सो 2 अभी नंबर ऑफ द स्टूडेंट और फ्रीक्वेंसी कैसे लें? नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट 2 मार्क्स कितने लोगों को आया है? यहाँ पे एक, सिर्फ एक. सो हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है 1. सो टैली कैसे डालना है? टैली हमें डालना है लाइक 1. नाउ 3 कितने लोगों को आया है? 1. ओनली 1, सो टैली भी ऐसे ही डालना है. नेक्स्ट 4 कितने लोगों को आया है? 1 2 3 4 5, सो 5 लोगों को आया है. तो टैली कैसे डालना है? 1 2 3 4 5. यहाँ पे एक लाइन नहीं डालना है. 5 मीन्स लाइक दिस. तो इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. नेक्स्ट 5 कितने लोगों को आया है? 1 2 only 2, so here 1 and 2. 6, how to write 6? How many got the 6 marks? 1 2 3 4 5. So here it's also 5. So how to put the tally? 1 2 3 4 and 5. 7, now 7 is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. तो यहाँ पे कैसे डालना है? 6 है तो 1 2 3 4 5, ये 5 हो गया. 6 मीन्स 1 मोर, सो हियर यू हैव टू पुट 1 मोर. सो हियर 8 मार्क्स. 1 2 3 4 5 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So how to put this 8? 1 2 3 4 5, ये 5 हो गया. एक्स्ट्रा 3 डालना है. 6 7 8. नाउ 10 मार्क्स. 1 2 3 4, सो 4 मेंबर. अब ये जो टैली डाला है उसको ही नंबर में जो लिखते हैं ना उसको हम लोग फ्रीक्वेंसी बोलते हैं. सो यहाँ पे 1 है, सो एक ही बार. सो हियर आल्सो 1. सो हाउ मेनी आर दे हियर? 5. सो पुट हियर 5 2 5 5 plus 1 6 5 5 plus 3 8 and 4. now we have to find capital N because हमें फॉर्मूला में कैपिटल N है ना. सो N मीन्स वॉट? इसको हमें ऐड करना है, वो यहाँ पे नंबर आना चाहिए. ऑलरेडी दे टोल्ड 37, सो यहाँ पे 37 आता है कि नहीं देखना है. सो 5 6 7 8 9 10 14 16 14 20 25 33 plus 4 37. ओके. सो अभी एफ आई इंटू एक्स आई, इन दोनों को हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो 2 1 ज़ा 2 3 1 ज़ा 3 4 5 ज़ा 20 5 2 ज़ा 10 6 5 ज़ा 35 7 6 ज़ा 42 8 5 ज़ा 40 9 8 ज़ा 72 एंड 10 4 ज़ा 40. अभी ये हुआ मल्टीप्लिकेशन एक एक नंबर का. अभी हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? दैट इज सिग्मा. सिग्मा मीन्स सम, इन सब का सम. कौन से का सम? एफ आई एंड एक्स आई का सम. ये सब टोटल करेंगे तो यहाँ पे कितना मिलेगा? सो हियर 5 5 10 10 14. सो हियर 1 यहाँ पे ऐड होगा. 2 1 3 4 5 6 7 10 11 15 22 22 4 20. Sorry, here 6 5 are 30. So here 5 6 7 8 9, and here 2 1 3 4 5 6 10 14 20 21 25 259. Now how to find this x bar arithmetic mean? So arithmetic mean x bar is equal to sigma f I x I by n. तो सिग्मा एफ आई एक्स आई कितना आया है 259 बाई 37. So 37 ones are 37 sevens are. So x bar is equal to 37. So this is the answer for this question. So 37 is the arithmetic mean of this given question. So this is one example. By using this method, we are going to solve practice set 11.1. So here tally is not compulsory. You can do it or you can skip this column, tally column. So let's start practice set 11.1. Okay, so first question. The following table shows the number of saplings planted by 30 students. Fill in the boxes and find the average number of sapling planted by each student. So here they give column and everything. So यहाँ पे हमें fill in the blanks करना है. So number of saplings or scores, that is xi. So we are taking it as x, and this number of student it take it as frequency, and इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा एफ आई इंटू एक्स आई. सो हियर 1 2 3 4 is the number of plant, and 4 6 12 and 8. सो यहाँ पे टोटल कितना होगा 4 6 10 10 12 10 plus 12 22 22 plus 8 30. सो ऑलरेडी हमें यहाँ पे 30 स्टूडेंट है ऐसा बताया है, तो वही नंबर यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. सो हियर मल्टीप्लाई दिस नाउ, फाइंड द एफ आई इंटू एक्स आई. सो 1 इंटू 4 4 ऑलरेडी गिवन. नाउ 2 इंटू 6 12, 3 इंटू 12 36, 4 इंटू 8 32. Now add all these. 12 plus 4 plus 36 plus 32, it gives 84. So sigma fi xi, sum of fi into xi is 84. So we have to find the mean. X bar is equal to dash by n. So what is the formula? Sigma fi xi by n. So what is the sigma fi xi value? That is 84 by 30. So here, so 2 15s are 30 and 2 42s are 84. So now 3 5s are 3, 14s are 42. 5 1s are 5 2s are 10 पॉइंट यहाँ पे 4 मिलेगा, सो 2.8. सो वैल्यू इज 2.8. सो 15, so 2.8 is the value. The average number of trees planted is 2.8. So it completes our question number 1. Next, move on to the question number 2. The following table shows the electricity in units used by 25 families of Eklara village in a month May. Complete the table and answer the following questions. So यहाँ पे table complete करना है, and also there is 4 questions. Have to solve that. So यहाँ पे electricity used in unit it consider as xi, number of families that is frequency that is fi, and we have to multiply these two and get fi into xi. So here xi is 30 unit, 45 units, 60 units, 75 unit and 90 units. So number of families 30 यूनिट कितने फैमिली यूज़ कर रहे हैं 7, एंड 45 यूनिट कितने फैमिलीज यूज़ कर रहे हैं 2, 60 यूनिट 8 फैमिली, 75 यूनिट्स 5 फैमिली एंड 90 यूनिट्स 3 फैमिली. सो हमें ये ऐड करना है 7 + 2 + 8 + 5 + 3. सो 8 + 2 10, 7 + 3 10. So 10 + 10 20, 20 + 5 25. Now multiply this 30 into 7, it becomes 2 10, 45 into 2, 90, 60 into 8, 480, 75 into 5, 375, and 90 into 3, 270. Now add all these. 210 plus 90 plus 480 plus 375 plus 270. It becomes, so 9 1 10, 18, 25 plus 7, 32. Add 3 here. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 1 4 2 0 2 5. So यहाँ पे 5 है. So 2 5. So now we have to find the answer for given question. So first question is, how many families use 45 unit electricity? So how many families are used 45 unit? So 45 unit इधर है, तो how many families? 2 families. So answer is 2 families. State the score, the frequency of which is 5. So यहाँ पे 5 frequency किसके लिए आया है? This one. And the score is 75. So answer is 75. So third one, find n and sigma fi xi. So already we find, so n is equal to 25 and sigma fi into xi is 1425. So answer, n equal to 25 and sigma fi xi equal to 1425. Fourth one, find the mean of electricity used by each family in the month of May. So हमें mean find out करना है. So here we have to find the x bar. So here answer is, x bar is equal to, formula is sigma fi xi by n. So sigma fi xi कितना है? 1425 and here by 25. So 25 ones are 25, 57s are 1425. So 25 ones are 25, 57s are. So answer is 57. So it completes our question number 4 in the second one. So also question number 2 of practice set 11.1. The number of members in 40 families in Bilar are as follows. So 1 6 5 4 3 2 7 2 3 4 5 6 4 6 2 3 2 1 4 5 6 7 3 4 5 2 4 3 2 3 5 5 4 6 2 3 5 6 4 2. So here एक एक फैमिली में ऐसा 40 फैमिलीज है, तो एक एक फैमिली में कितने कितने मेंबर्स है, दैट इज दे आर गिवन. So prepare a frequency table and find the mean of members of 40 family. हमें पहले टेबल बनाना है. After that we are going to find the value of n as well as sigma phi xi, and after that we are going to find the mean, that is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by n. Okay, so this is the table. So in the first column xi is equal to number of members. So कितने members है? तो 1 मेंबर, 2 मेंबर, 3 4 5 6 7 मेंबर. So यहाँ पे lowest number is 1 and highest number is 7. So we have to write in the ascending order, that's why. So I am wrote start with the 1 and ends with 7. So number of families, यहाँ पे number of families कितने हैं? 40 families. So यहाँ पे हम लोगों को n में कितना आना चाहिए? 40. So यहाँ पे number of families, कितने families में एक member है, 2 member है, वो लिखना है. And after that multiply these two and add, and we get sigma fi xi. So number of member 1, how many families? 1 कितना है? 1 2, only 2. एंड 2 कितना है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 4 कितना है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 कितना है 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 7 1 2 only 2. Now add all these and find if it is 40 or not, because यहाँ पे 40 families होना चाहिए तो 40 आना चाहिए. So 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 8 that is 25, 25 plus 7 32, 32 plus 6 38, 38 plus 2 that is 40. So answer is 40, it's right. So अभी हमें इस दोनों को ऐड करना मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 1 2 ज़ा 2, 2 8 ज़ा 16, 7 3 ज़ा 21, 4 8 ज़ा 32, 5 7 ज़ा 35, 6 6 ज़ा 12 sorry 36 and 7 2 ज़ा 14. So ये सब ऐड करना है and find the sigma fi xi. Sigma fi xi is equal to 156. Now we have to find the mean. So here n is equal to 40 and sigma fi xi is equal to 156. So therefore mean x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by n. So here it is 156 by 40. So here 2 20s are 40, 2 78s are 156, 2 10s are 20, 2 39s are 78, 10 ones are 10, 10 3.9s are 39. So here mean x bar is equal to 3.9. So it completes our question number 3. Next move on to the question number 4. So in the question number 3 we find the distribution table, frequency table. After that we find the n value and sigma fi xi and substitute in the formula mean and find the value, that is 3.9. So it completes our question number 3. Next move on to the question number 4. So question number 4, the number of science and maths projects submitted by Model High School Nandapur in 20 years at the state level science exhibition is, they are given. So here prepare a frequency table and find the mean of the data, same as question number 3. First find the frequency table, solve it, find the n and sigma fi xi, and after that mean, that is x bar. Here number of project we are take it as xi, number of year we are take it as frequency, that is fi, and here fi into xi column. So here the project is 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 5 4 2 3 1 3 5 4 3 2 2 3 2. So here lowest number is 1 and highest number is 5. So that's why I am writing 1 2 3 4 and 5. So number of project 1, how many years they gave submitted one project, that is 1 2 3. कितने बार 1 लिखा है 3. And how many times 2 project they submitted, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. And 3 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of project, that is 4 project, 1, 2, 3, only 3, and number of project, that is 5 projects submitted in 1 year, 2 year, in the 2 year. So अभी हमें सबको ऐड करना है यहाँ पे. हाउ मेनी ईयर्स दे टोल 20. सो एन कितना आना चाहिए? 20 आना चाहिए. 3 + 6 9, 9 + 6 15, 15 + 3 18, 18 + 2 that is 20. So n 20 हो गया, it's correct. So multiply now fi into xi. 1 into 3 3, 6 into 2 12, 6 into 3 18, 4 into 3 12, 5 into 2 that is 10. So here add all these. 3 + 2 5, 5 + 8 13, 13 + 5 13 + 2 15, 1 here, 1 2 3 4 5. So sigma fi xi equal to 55. Now we have to find the mean. So here n is equal to 20 and sigma fi xi equal to 55. So here mean x bar is equal to formula sigma fi into xi by n. So sigma fi xi is 55 and n is 20. So here x bar 5 4s are 20, 5 11s are, so 4 1s are, 4 2s are 8, point 3 now it is 3. So 4 7s are 28, 2 remaining, 4 5s are 20. So 2.75. So x bar is equal to 2.75 is the answer or mean of this given question. So it completes our question number 4 as well as practice set 11.1. In this one we find how to make a frequency table and how to substitute the value in xi and fi, and how to multiply these two, and how to find the value of sum of fi xi or sigma fi xi. After getting the value of n and sigma fi xi, we can directly find arithmetic mean, that is formula is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by n. Substitute the value and find the answer. So I hope everyone clearly understood how to solve these type of question. So it completes our question practice set 11.1. In the next video we are going to solve a bar graph, that is two types, subdividend bar graph and percentage bar graph. So let's meet in our next video.